Learn how to get a new joiner on board. Step-by-step guide. Log into your profile. Go to My Team and click on Onboarding. Click on Employees tab. Search for the new joiner's name and click on their profile. View the details under Basic Information. Before proceeding to My Task, click on the three dots under Profile Name. Go to Document Records. Verify all the uploaded documents against the hard copy carried by the new joiner by clicking on View icon. Return to the profile and click on the joiner's name again. Ensure you have validated joining documents before completing the first task. Select the first task and click on Complete. Ensure you have validated joining documents before completing the second task. Select the second task and click on Complete. Select the third task and click on Complete. Select the fourth task and click on Go to Task. Search for the new joiner's name and click on the three dots next to it. Select the option Convert. Click Continue. Check and update the hire date if needed. Ensure first and last name, date of birth, place of birth, blood type and PAN details are filled. If not, click on Edit or Add option. Ensure phone number and email ID are provided. Ensure country, gender and marital status are provided. Ensure family and emergency contacts are filled. If not, fill the same by taking the required details or ask the employee to fill. Verify whether the employment details are accurate. Scroll up and click Submit.